humans have been involved in this creative practice since before recorded history, it was during Baroque era that a Western tradition developed a significant focus on instruments and the music written for them. The 17th century saw a dramatic improvement in the construction of the string instrument. Some of the finest violin ever built came from the northern Italian workshop of Stradivarius, Amati, and etc. To this day, musicians seek them out and pay millions of dollars for the best-made exemplar. The strings were made of gut rather than the steel used today. In general, the string instruments of the Baroque resemble their modern descendants, except for the certain detail of the construction. While woodwind instruments were used for loud outdoor events, the late Baroque composer prized such instruments increasingly for color as builders expanded their range and subtlety. The penetrating timbres of the recorder, flute, and oboe, all made of wood at that time, were especially effective in suggesting pastoral scene, while the bassoon cast a somber tone. The trumpet developed from an instrument used for military signals to one with a solo role in the orchestra. It was still a natural instrument, that is, without the valve that would enable to play the all keys.